Hey, Jack. Good morning.
Oh, hi, Lily. Morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
Pretty good. Just a little tired.
Same here. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh, really? What happened?
My neighbor upstairs was walking around all night.
Oh, no. Heavy footsteps?
Very heavy. It sounded like an elephant.
That's funny, but also annoying.
Exactly. I kept thinking, are they moving furniture at 2 a.m.?
That's the worst time to move furniture.
Right? I almost went upstairs to complain.
Almost? So you didn't?
No, I was too sleepy and too shy.
I get that. Talking to neighbors can feel awkward.
Yes, I don't want to sound rude.
Same. I always think too much before speaking.
Overthinking neighbors is real.
Very real. By the way, are you new here?
Yes, I moved in last month.
Ah, that explains it. Welcome to the building.
Thank you. Everyone seems friendly so far.
Mostly friendly, except the wild ones.
True.
Which floor are you on?
Third floor, apartment 3B.
Oh, I'm in 3A. We're neighbors.
Wait, really? That's great.
Yeah, just across the hall.
Nice. Good to finally meet you properly.
Same here. We always just say hi and leave.
That's very neighbor-style English.
Short, polite, and fast.
Exactly. Hi, hello, bye.
So, how do you like the area?
I like it a lot. It's quiet and close to everything.
Yes, and the grocery store is nearby.
I love that. I hate long walks for groceries.
Same. Carrying bags is not fun.
Especially when the bags break.
Oh, that happened to me last week.
Seriously?
Yeah, apples everywhere.
That sounds like a movie scene.
People were staring. I just smiled.
Good reaction. Smiling helps.
Sometimes English fails, but smiling works.
So true.
By the way, do you work from home?
Yes, I do. How about you?
Me too. That's why noise bothers me.
Same here. Meetings plus noise are stressful.
Especially when someone drills the wall.
Oh no, not drilling.
Yes, very loud drilling.
What do you usually say in that situation?
Honestly, nothing. I wait.
Very polite.
Too polite, maybe.
I want to learn polite English for complaints.
That's important English.
Like, how do you complain nicely?
You can say, sorry to bother you, but...
Ah, that sounds polite.
Or, would you mind keeping the noise down?
That's a good sentence.
Yes, it's soft and respectful.
Not angry English.
Exactly. Calm English works better.
Have you ever complained to a neighbor?
Once, I was very nervous.
What happened?
I practiced in my head for 10 minutes.
Same. Practice English, then panic.
Finally, I knocked and said everything too fast.
Nervous speed English.
Yes, but the neighbor was nice.
That's good.
He said, oh, sorry, I didn't know.
See? Most people understand.
True, we worried too much.
English confidence comes with practice.
And friendly neighbors help.
Speaking of friendly, do you know anyone else here?
A few people, mostly small talk friends.
Small talk is still English practice.
Yes, like weather talk.
Nice weather today.
Yeah, a bit hot.
Classic neighbor conversation.
Very classic.
Do you ever borrow things from neighbors?
Rarely. I feel shy.
Me too. Asking feels difficult.
But it's useful English.
Like, can I borrow some sugar?
Exactly. Simple but powerful.
Have you ever borrowed sugar?
Once, I returned it with cookies.
That's very kind.
It's good neighbor culture.
I like that.
So, Lily, where are you from?
I'm from another city. New start for me.
That's exciting.
Yes, but also scary.
I understand. New place, new people, new English.
Exactly.
But you're doing great.
Thanks. That means a lot.
Your English sounds natural.
Really? I still feel shy.
That's normal. Confidence comes slowly.
Talking to neighbors helps.
Yes, daily English is the best teacher.
Better than textbooks sometimes.
Way better.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every day. Too much.
Same here.
There's a cafe near the building.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes. Want to go sometime?
That sounds nice.
Great. Coffee and English practice.
Perfect combination.
Maybe this weekend?
Sure. Saturday morning?
Works for me.
Awesome. I'm glad we talked today.
Me too. See? Neighbor conversations can be nice.
Very nice.
Oh, I should go. I have a meeting.
Same here. Work calls.
Nice talking to you, Lily.
Nice talking to you too, Jack.
See you around.
See you. And quieter nights, hopefully.
Fingers crossed.